and welcome back. I am Julie, and today we have had the most beautiful day. The weather, I don't know what is going on. I mean, I knew spring was coming and I was so excited for it, but it's Utah and you just never know what it's gonna do. You have no idea what you're gonna wake up to, and most likely it'll be really different from what you go to bed to. The weather's crazy here. All of a sudden, we had this beautiful warm streak come in. I've got seedlings to transfer. I've got house plants to transfer that are just too many in one pot, and it is not working well. These neighbors need their space. Gonna work on that and going to start my second round of seeds. I'm just so excited. It just feels so good. Spring, guys. Spring is upon us, and I couldn't be happier about it. So let's jump in and get it done. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this little adventure of mine. I've got to get back to my regular chores now that the fun ones are over. Oh, I hope you have had a wonderful day, and I hope you have a fabulous evening and a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all really soon.